Hello and welcome to my video on how to change laptop RAM. The first thing you want to do is you want to remove the laptop battery, which is quite simply on most main laptops. All you need to do is click and click the little sliders. Now once you've clicked the sliders, all you need to do is slide the battery out and place it somewhere safe where it's not going to get damaged. And then once you've done that, all you need to do is you need to start to unscrew the screws that are located. On some laptops the screws are in different places, but on this one it's here, and the screws are usually connected to a back panel, which for this one it's quite simply the little latch that you can see there. You need to put your finger through and just pull it off like so. Once you've done that, as you can see here is the hard drive. As you can see here, this is the RAM, which is what we're going to be looking at today. So this is going to be it is quite simple. All you need to do is you need to put your fingers on the two pieces of metal here, and if you pull them to the sides, and the RAM just pops out as so. And that is how you get the RAMs out of the slots, and then you put them down like that, and then you do exactly the same for the bottom piece of RAM and pull it out like so. Some laptops, most laptops have 2 slots of RAM. You've got to make sure though when you're replacing RAM that they've got the same, they can go in the right ports, because some RAM are different, especially older laptops, because older laptops have different types of RAM. But yeah, as you can see, this is just a standard modern RAM. Now you put this down like so, put it nice and safe. You can see here, they're the tabs that hold it in. To put it back in, all you need to do is you need to slide it in like so. Make sure that it sits in properly. Just give it a bit of a push, not too hard because it might break it. Push it down until you hit click. Make sure that both latches are on. Once you've done that, all you need to do is do exactly the same for the top one. Make sure it's lined up and pop it back in. Make sure that it's all lined up and pushed in enough, because sometimes if it's not pushed in enough it won't register that the RAM's there. Now once you've done that, all you need to do now is you need to turn the panel back to the right area, and then as you can see there, the little notches need to go into this bit here, or into wherever it's clearly showing that it needs to be slotted back in. And then once you've slotted it back in like so, what you need to do is you need to make sure that it's slid in. Now sometimes it can be quite hard to put them back in, but it's quite straightforward. Now once you've done that, all you need to do is you need to screw it back up like so. Screw it, not too tight, because you might want to get back into it. And that, once you put the panel back on, you just need to slide the battery in like so, lock it back in,